Alright, so this is my 2017 Grand Sport Collector's Edition. We got the Glenn Watkins gray paint job. Got the black racing stripe all down the middle on the top, and on the hood we got the tension blue hash marks. 19-inch wheels in the front, 20-inch wheels on the back, looking so juicy, looking so good. Also, we had the carbon fiber side skirts and the carbon fiber splitter. I got a 3LT, so we have the PDR system, cameras in the front, parking cameras, carbon flash badging. It's the Grand Sport, so it has the wider body, just like the Z06. It's basically like the Z06, except for it does not have the supercharger, but still has 460 horsepower. It's plenty of horsepower for me. See, it is a Grand Sport. Do not get it twisted. We got functional scoops, cooler brakes, cooler trans. I went with the coupe, so the top does remove and get stored in the trunk. Got the Z06 style spoiler. Look how fat those tires are. Those tires are very fat, meaty. I don't plan on smoking them out no time soon, so they're gonna be meaty for a long time.
Look, Keem out here.
Look like the previous owner smoked out the exhaust system, so I'm gonna get them back chrome because I don't like the smoked out look. So let's hop on in the inside and see what we working with. So we got the tension blue interior with the suede and the leather, and there's tension blue stitching all throughout the car. So black leather, suede everywhere, tension blue interior, and we got carbon fiber. So this car is really specced out, looks amazing. So this, like I said, this is the collector's edition, so it's 1,000 of these made, so I got one of 1,000. And then the top, we got the this is suede, and then we got the diamond stitching with the tension blue. And this car is just amazing. Like, it's second to none. We even got the original Grand Sport in the headrest. This car is really clean. Yeah, I had this car for 3 weeks and I'm just in love. Like, right now it's actually 74 degrees in the beginning of November, so lucky me, I get to drive the car for a few more days. Grand Sport. I actually have the Grand Sport floor mats custom for this car, but I got this floor mat over it so I don't mess up these. Yeah, it's that serious. And yeah, this car is very beautiful. I'm gonna take the top off so you guys can see it in its full glory. So let's take the top off. Look at this thing. This thing is work of art. I mean, like I said, it has 460 horsepower. There's a lot of cars faster than this. You got the Scat Packs and the Hellcats, they faster, but they don't look like this, y'all. This is different. And when you're riding down the street, people looking at you like, a lot of people don't know what Hellcats are. So like, you look like a regular Charger, a regular Challenger. This thing, yeah, they see you. They know what time it is, man. It's crazy. So yeah, this is it. This is my dream car. I've been working so hard and I finally got it. So I'm I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll footage, and then that's a wrap. Hope y'all enjoyed.